Hello everyone, my name is Harvikas. Today we are going to discuss about multiplication of two numbers. Here we start the program with the dot model small. It specifies that the memory model is small and the data segment is started by indicating the dot data, and here we declare three variables. All of them are defined as word, and the first two variables contain a predefined value in them, and c is the another variable which we is going to store the value of multiplication of both these variables. And we start the code segment by specifying dot code, and here the move ax comma at the rate of data indicates that the data is moved into the x register, and ds comma ax shows the value in the ax register is moved into the data segment. And here move ax comma a and move bx comma b indicates that value in the variables a and b are moved into the ax register and bx register, and the mul bx means it indicates that multiplication of bx and ax register values is stored into the ax register. And for here we finally move ax value, that is the multiplication of both ax and bx register value is moved into the c variable. And finally move ax comma 4ch and into 21h. Into 21h means interrupt the processor and the program ends. Here we get the output as a 0004h and b 0202h, and c it is the multiplication of both a and b values, that is 0808h. And here we are also going to discuss about the architecture of Intel IC8253 timer. Here we can observe in the block diagram a data bus buffer and read or write logic and control word register, and we can also observe three counters. Here the three counters, every counter contains a clock, gate and out signal. A gate signal is used to start or stop the counting, and the out symbol is used to show the out signal is going to show the counting is completed or the process is going to be interrupted. The clock signal is going to synchronize the counters. The data bus buffers is a 8-bit buffer. It interface with the 8086 microprocessor. And read or write logic, here there are 5 signals. Read, RD and WR, these are peripheral IOs. These are connected with IOR and IOW. And CS is a code segment, and A1 and A0 are two address lines linked with the A1 and A2 address lines of the microprocessor. And the modes are specified by the control word registers, where A1 and A0 are logically 1 in the signal. The control word register takes the values, and as per the control word register it shows the and defines the modes. The counters, there are 3 counters. Each counter is of 16-bit address data. Each counter is of 16-bit counters, and these are also called as control channels. And 6 different programmable different operating modes are present in the 8253 timer or counter. Here the counting is in binary or BCD. The signal is of 5-volt supply. This can be operated in DC and AC up to 2.6 megahertz. They can be programmed to generate different types of delay signals and also count external signals. Actually, the timer is the 8253 Intel timer is a programmable internal timer designed for microprocessor to perform timing and counting functions. In these all three counters, there are two input signals, a clock and gate, and one output out. These are indicated as three counters: counter 0, counter 1 and counter 2. Here all the counter 0 signals are indicated as clock 0, gate 0, out 0, and similarly counter 1 and counter 2 are indicated as clock 1, gate 1, out 1, etc. Thus this is the architecture of Intel 8253 timer.